Folks, I sure do appreciate the life that God has gave me, and I have some pitfalls in my life, but I tell you, even with them, I still look at the blessings. So out here, I'm cooking up some stuffed chicken. I sliced down into that meat, kind of up towards the top of the meat, left like a thin layer below the skin here, and I stuffed this with chopped jalapeno and cream cheese in there. Closed it back down, packed it good, put that skin over, makes like a little door right there. And yeah, chopped up jalapeno like this with that cream cheese. And I coated it with olive oil and black pepper. And I'm putting it indirect on the fire. And I'm turning them every once in a while because I don't want them to cook too fast. So I left the coals stacked, and I'm just kind of circling them outside the outer perimeter of that. Man, oh man, that is smelling and looking good. We'll come back and check on that later. Well, I was going to come down and show you all Miss Melinda planting in her garden down there, but by the time I headed down there, I seen her already heading this way. Yeah.
Too late.
Well, we'll go down there a little later. I see Blackjack and Girl come hung out with you, huh?
Yeah. Blackjack.
I seen her laying like right by everywhere you were at.
Even I was there with my garden, with the small garden there. There's still the both of them they're hanging out. I said, wow, I have companion.
Yeah, that's nice.
Talking with them. I said,
Hey,
it's my garden. Look at her. She was still there.
still there, still gardening, huh?
Yeah.
Guarding the garden.
And Blackjack, they're always close with me.
Yeah, look at him. He went and laid down just back at a distance. Keep an eye on things.
Yeah.
They are some wonderful, wonderful dogs, boy. Wonderful pets in our family. Well, I've been up here working also, Mel. I planted tomatoes.
Yes.
I planted squash. I cleaned that catfish. Put it in the freezer for now since we got other food going. I sliced open those pieces of chicken you had thawed out. I stuffed them with diced up jalapeno and cream cheese. Coated them with olive oil and black pepper, and they are slow cooking on the grill.
Looks awesome. Anyway, I already planted my onion.
You got your onion in,
Yes.
huh?
And then I watered them with pond water.
Yeah, I knew you would. I told them you would be using that pond water right there.
Yes.
We'll get you a pump set up on that. I believe is what we need to do.
There's a girl who's coming.
She's coming on now. Well, I'm going to go on back up here to the house, keep an eye on this food.
Yeah, I'm going to take a break for a while.
Man, look at that, boy. Look at that. These are beautiful. Turn them over, lean them on each other so the cheese didn't pop out, and the jalapenos. So the top side cook a little bit. Just prop them on each other. Man, oh man, these look delicious, boy. And Melinda is ready to eat. Yeah, I could have skinned her head. I was trying to cook these slow so that I make sure they cooked all the way through. Man, I had them out on the outer perimeter. She come up, just stuck her hands right in the middle of it while I'm inside and shoved them all directly up over the heat. And she almost burned them. Told her this ain't a microwave. Well, that looks good.